Okay, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Hi, I'm Neil, and this is Olive. And today we are going to check out these dual rocket launcher things. So we're going to check this out. We're going to open it up, see what's inside. It says ages 3+. I think we qualify, right? Okay. Here's some instructions.
We don't need those.
We don't need no instructions. Why does it come with a zip tie? Uh-oh.
Who knows?
No, don't throw the zip tie. Oh man, look at all these pieces in here.
I just threw
This is a whole put together thing?
Oh, well, we're gonna put it together.
Okay, let's figure this out. Oh, see, it goes like that in the top.
Okay. I gotta put the rest of the piece.
There we go. So there, but now we can aim it. So I can go like this, aim it there, and then ready, 1, 2. Some kind of delivery coming. And then we can do a blue one. Straight up. Bam.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
Competition.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Oh man, you totally beat me.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again.
Okay, well here, what do you think of it? So are these things cool or not?
This thing is so
Are these cool? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, thumbs up from both of us. And if you want to pick one up, there's a link in the description. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and Olive will join me for some other reviews soon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.
Bye.